Hello, in front of me I've got TLC25G. Today I'll show you all unlock methods. Firstly, go to Settings and go to Security. Tap on Screen Lock and choose between swipe, pattern, pin, password and fingerprint. Draw your pattern to unlock phone. Set 4 digits PIN password. At least 4 digits. And set at least 4 characters password. Also, we can set fingerprint sensor. Choose between fingerprint plus pattern, plus pin and plus password. And your touch sensor is right here. And it's done. Also, you can set your face. Similar as sensor, scan your face. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.